ever wondered how to make someone fall head over heels for you using the art of dark psychology and manipulation? If you're watching this video, it means you're not just an average person. You're seeking to understand the deeper aspects of human psychology and how to influence others effectively. Today, we're diving into 11 dark psychology and manipulation techniques to make someone fall in love with you. These strategies are powerful and should be used ethically. Let's explore how to create deep emotional connections and attract the person you desire. Number 1, mirror their actions and emotions. Mirroring involves subtly mimicking the actions, speech patterns, and emotions of the person you're interested in. This creates a sense of familiarity and comfort, making them feel more connected to you. For example, if they lean forward when talking, you can also lean forward. If they express excitement about a topic, match their enthusiasm. This technique taps into their subconscious and makes them feel understood and in sync with you. For instance, if you're on a date and they take a sip of their drink, wait a moment and take a sip of your own. If they laugh at a joke, make sure to laugh too, but genuinely. These small actions can create a sense of harmony and connection. Number 2, create a sense of mystery. Mystery can be incredibly attractive. Don't reveal everything about yourself too quickly. Keep some aspects of your life and personality hidden, making them curious and eager to learn more about you. For example, if they ask about your past, give intriguing but incomplete answers. This creates a sense of allure and makes them want to spend more time with you to uncover your secrets. Imagine you're on a date and they ask about your weekend plans. Instead of listing everything, you might say, "I've got something exciting planned, but you'll have to wait to find out." This keeps them intrigued and interested in spending more time with you. Number 3, use the power of touch. Physical touch can create strong emotional bonds. Lightly touching their arm during a conversation or a gentle tap on the back can create a deeper connection. However, it's crucial to read their body language and ensure they're comfortable with this level of interaction. A well-timed touch can release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which can enhance feelings of affection. For example, when sharing a funny story, a light touch on their arm can create a connection. Or, during a walk, a gentle touch on their back to guide them through a crowd can be both protective and intimate. Number 4, engage in deep conversations. Surface-level small talk doesn't create lasting connections. Engage in deep, meaningful conversations to create emotional intimacy. Ask about their dreams, fears, and personal experiences. Sharing your own vulnerabilities can also encourage them to open up. This depth of conversation can create a strong emotional bond, making them feel more connected to you. Instead of sticking to topics like the weather or work, ask about their childhood, their biggest dreams, or their fears. Sharing a personal story about a challenge you overcame can also encourage them to share their own experiences, creating a deeper connection. Number 5, be unpredictable. Predictability can become monotonous. Add an element of surprise to keep them intrigued. Plan spontaneous activities or surprise them with small, thoughtful gestures. This unpredictability keeps them on their toes and makes your relationship exciting and dynamic. For instance, if they mention their favorite type of flower in passing, surprise them with a bouquet on a random day, not just on special occasions. Or plan a spontaneous weekend getaway to a nearby town. These surprises show that you're attentive and keep the relationship lively. Number 6, use compliments strategically. Compliments can boost their self-esteem and make them associate those positive feelings with you. However, be sincere and specific with your compliments. Instead of generic praise, focus on unique aspects of their personality or appearance. For example, instead of saying, "You look nice," try, "I love how passionate you are about your hobbies." This shows that you're paying attention and genuinely appreciate them. Compliments like, "I admire how dedicated you are to your work," or "Your creativity really inspires me," are much more impactful than vague statements. These targeted compliments show you value and notice the unique qualities of the person. Number 7, create shared experiences. Shared experiences can create strong bonds. Engage in activities that you both enjoy, creating memories and inside jokes. Whether it's traveling, cooking together, or attending events, these shared experiences create a sense of unity, and build a foundation for a lasting relationship. For example, taking a cooking class together can be fun and educational, giving you both a sense of accomplishment and plenty of laughter. Or plan a weekend hiking trip, which not only provides adventure, but also the opportunity to work together and build trust. Number 8, show vulnerability. Showing vulnerability can make you more relatable and trustworthy. Share your fears, insecurities, and past mistakes. This openness can encourage them to share their own vulnerabilities, deepening your emotional connection. For instance, talking about a personal challenge you've overcome, like a difficult period in your life or a career setback, can make them feel closer to you and more comfortable sharing their own experiences. Vulnerability builds trust and intimacy in a relationship. Number 9, foster a sense of exclusivity. Make them feel special by giving them exclusive attention and privileges. This can involve prioritizing their needs, remembering small details about their life, and making time for them despite your busy schedule. This sense of exclusivity makes them feel valued and appreciated, that enhancing their emotional attachment to you. For example, remembering their favorite type of coffee and bringing it to them unexpectedly shows you're paying attention and care about their preferences. Prioritizing them in your schedule, even when you're busy, demonstrates their importance to you. Number 10, build anticipation. Building anticipation can heighten their interest and excitement about spending time with you. This can involve hinting at future plans without revealing all the details, or sending a message that makes them look forward to your next meeting. For example, saying, "I have a surprise planned for us this weekend," can keep them eagerly anticipating your time together. Or sending a midweek text saying, "I can't wait to show you what I have planned for Friday night," can keep their interest piqued. Number 11, be confident. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Show that you are secure in yourself and your abilities. This doesn't mean being arrogant, but rather being comfortable with who you are and showing self-assuredness in your actions and decisions. For example, taking the lead in planning dates or confidently sharing your opinions can make you more attractive and compelling. Confidence in your actions and words shows that you're comfortable with who you are, which is inherently attractive. Conclusion: mastering these dark psychology and manipulation techniques can significantly enhance your ability to make someone fall in love with you. Remember, the goal is to build genuine, healthy relationships, so use these strategies responsibly and ethically. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.